Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to export a chart as a template in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first you have to open your Microsoft Excel software. Then open your Excel spreadsheet. Now you can see here are my sheet with Excel chart. Now I export this chart as a template in this Excel. At first you have to select this chart, then right click on selected chart area. Now you can see here are save as a template option. Just press this save as a template. Now find your save as template file location. Now rename this file name. Now press save. Now go your file, save as file location. Now you can see here are my save as file. Now you can see I export a chart as a template in Microsoft Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.